Hello, I'm Jeff. I'm the developer of Cult Game, and today I'm going to show you how to speed up your C++ programs instantly with something called compiler optimizations. Now, if you already know what compiler optimizations are, this video is probably not for you, but if you do not know what they are, this is a quick little tip that's definitely going to change your programming life for the better. Let's get into it. Alright, so I'll first show you how to do this from the command line. I'll be using a GCC compiler for this video, but other C++ compilers will apply their optimizations in a very similar way. So let's go to my program we're going to be doing this on. So here's my program. This sorts a big list of numbers, 1 million numbers. You can see here I have a vector, this little list of numbers. Not so little actually, because I load 1 million unsorted random integers into it. Then I start a clock here. This is going to tell me how long it takes for me to run this sorting algorithm, which is right here, right below this. I'm just running the standard sort function. And then after I'm done running that, I print how long it took. So that's all this program is doing. Okay, so let's see how long it takes. We're just going to run the standard vanilla compile command right here. This is just G++, sort the numbers and name the executable sort numbers. Okay. And then we're going to run the sort numbers executable we created. And this tells us how long it took, 0.431 seconds, okay? For 1 million numbers, not too bad, not too bad. So what we're going to do now is we're going to take this compile command, this vanilla compile command that you might have seen before in C++, and we're going to do something really simple. We're going to take one of the many one of the many optimization flags that I'm going to put on your screen right now, and we're going to tack it on to the end of this compile command. And we'll do the most intense optimization to see what we can get out of it. So we're going to type -O3. Okay, that's applying all general optimizations. Okay, so let's compile. And then we're going to run with the sort numbers command here that we just created. Boom, instant speed up. We didn't have to get smarter. All we had to do was put that O3 at the end, and we are instantly faster. Yes. Okay, I've provided a link in the description for more information on what these optimization flags are doing to your program. Mainly the cost of using these optimization flags is just a longer compilation time. Please make sure to read up on the specific optimization flags you choose to use though. This is just the tip of the iceberg on how compiler optimizations work. Okay, and let's say you're working from Windows. Let's say you're working from a more graphical development environment where you're not compiling from the command line, like code blocks right here. So I'm on my Windows PC right now, and I'm in code blocks. And if I just compile and run the program with no special commands, I get 0.38 seconds. This is a little bit faster than my laptop because this is a desktop PC. But if I'm going to apply the optimizations like I discussed for the command line, I'm going to go into the settings here in code blocks. I'm going to go to compiler, and then it's going to bring up the compiler flag settings. This is what we want. We're going to go scroll through general right here, debugging, profiling, warnings, and get to optimization. And here are the flags that we want to deal with. This is the one that I found that was working, optimized fully for speed. That's O3 right here. We're going to check that, press OK. And we're going to see an improvement when we run compile and build over the 0.38 seconds we got earlier. 0.076 seconds. Boom, there we go again. So we can see that no matter what platform we're on, we can apply these optimizations and reap the benefits of faster code with just a click of a switch. Very good. All right. That's it for this video today. I hope it helps you to make faster programs. I know that it really helped me when I first discovered this. If you'd like to shoot the breeze or chat about compiler optimizations in the comment section below, I'd be happy to get back to you. Other than that, I've been really fortunate to be supported by you guys, by your kind words, and also even financially now. It's really cool. I'm very humbled. Thank you so much. If you'd like to tip me, if I've helped you out, you can do so at the Ko-Fi link in the description. Here are our channel's supporters at the moment. Bill the Old Man, Jethro, Adele4, Florian Rorwick, and C Standard IO. Thank you to each and every one of you guys. Really appreciate it. Other than that, have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye-bye.